From Alissa Beth Photography. I am here today. I want to show you part one of the brown box photo shoot from of Malibu Barbie and Justin Bieber. Okay, so our group inside the photo box on Facebook has been, so many people have been doing these amazing, fun brown box photo shoots. So I thought I would kind of jump on the bandwagon and check it out and do one for myself, but I didn't have any large boxes around. So I just grabbed a small one. I grabbed a Malibu Barbie and a Justin Bieber, and I went to town. So I decided I'm going to make a tutorial video to show you guys how to edit one of these brown box photo box images. So here's part one. I'm going to go backwards and show you. All of my images are here in Lightroom. I have a whole bunch of really fun images. What I did is, once I selected all the images that I wanted to work with, I pressed, I right-clicked, I say Edit In, and then I go to Open as Layers in Photoshop, and I open them all as layers in Photoshop. And then when I get here, I will have all of my pictures right here in Photoshop for you. For me, not for you. For me. So what I do next is I'm going to take my marquee tool, and because my box is not a square, and that's really okay, we're going to work with rectangles today, which is fine. And I'm going to show you a couple of options. I take my marquee tool and I just select the box opening, just like that. And looks pretty good to me. I'm going to press Command on a Mac, Command J, and what that does is, I'm going to shut off the box, it just selects, it just copies a selection, copies whatever it is that you selected, it made a copy of it. So you can see that I basically cropped my box. I'm now going to go ahead and do that for all the rest of the images that I have here, and then I'm going to move them all into one template or one work surface. So I will show that next for part two.